As you can see here, there is a vent exhaust that's getting out of this wall, and what I want to do, I want to put siding around it. As you can see, we already cut piece of siding there, and really we cut it with grinder. So that's what I want to show you, how we actually doing it. Here we are putting the siding over the 4-inch hole, and then we start measuring to find out where is the center of the 4-inch hole.
هذا inch.
That's what you have behind it. That's the fan, and now we're going to cut it. We are using 4.8-inch carbide grit also. We put the pilot on the center and we're drilling. Now we're just cleaning the hole a little bit to make sure everything is smooth. So we already put the siding, as you can see here, and we're using these tools that you can see the link below this video, and we just installing now the siding. That's the way it looks from close distance.